Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling the Autosave After Send feature in the IMO app. This feature ensures that every photo and video you send is automatically saved to your phone's gallery. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After entering Settings, tap on Chat. Finally, toggle on the Autosave After Send option. Once enabled, all photos and videos you send will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. Enabling the Autosave After Send feature in IMO ensures that your sent media is always saved for future access. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.